Ever pondered the enigma that is non-fungible tokens, or wondered how it's possible to turn these strange digital assets into profits? For the uninitiated, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, represent a unique class of digital assets. They stand apart in their singularity and can embody a wide array of tangible and intangible items. The digital universe is their oyster. They crystallize anything from digital artistry and virtual real estate to digital collectibles and distinctive virtual items. The NFT universe is a vibrant one, brimming with countless possibilities. This universe has ensnared the minds of digital artists, collectors, and investors. With the surge in NFT prevalence, fresh possibilities have come into existence, paving the way for potential profit in the digital sphere. But what is it about these digital commodities that make them so alluring and precious? To unravel this, we must step into the epicenter of this digital cosmos. We'll undertake a trip that will expose the complexity and the detail of NFTs. We'll go deep into the labyrinth of cryptography, blockchain technology, and digital ownership. Digital ownership. Our mission is to decipher this convoluted world and expose the quintessence of these unique, non-replicable assets. We'll also discover how NFTs have evolved from being a niche concept into a mainstream investment option. The rise of NFTs can be attributed to the growing acceptance and fascination with digital ownership, coupled with a broader comprehension of blockchain technology. As we traverse the digital terrain, we'll shed light on how investing in NFTs has become a hot topic, with serious investors taking notice. With NFTs, the digital world has transcended communication or entertainment. Now, it's about possessing a slice of the digital universe. It's about turning intangible assets into tangible profits. It's about riding the wave of a new investment trend. So, prepare to unravel the world of NFTs. Delve into why they are making waves. Before we unravel the world of NFTs, let's first establish a solid understanding of the technology that fuels them: blockchain. So, what is blockchain, you may be wondering? Picture it as a decentralized digital ledger, yet robust enough to trace and document all transactions. It diligently keeps track of every single transaction happening within its network, thereby ensuring the reliability of the data by making it near impossible for these records to be modified retrospectively. This level of transparency and security is a unique characteristic of blockchain technology. To simplify it, imagine blockchain technology like a never-ending timeline of data, akin to a digital library. Here, every participant has the ability to view the entire history of logged transactions. Think of it as a book, where each page signifies a data block and every new page that's added is another block in this chain. This mechanism preserves the authenticity of digital assets such as non-fungible tokens or NFTs. However, how does the blockchain achieve this? Each block contains data about the transaction, the hash of the block, which acts like a fingerprint, and the hash of the previous block. The chain of blocks is formed as each block contains the hash of the previous one, thus creating a link. Any attempt to alter a block disrupts this chain, as it would change the hash of the block and make all following blocks invalid. This feature makes the blockchain secure and immune to fraud. The importance of blockchain technology in the digital world cannot be overstated. Beyond its use in powering digital art through NFTs, blockchain technology has numerous other real-world applications. It provides solutions for managing supply chains in global commerce, designing transparent and secure voting systems for democratic governments, and safely storing healthcare records in the medical field. This transformative technology is revolutionizing the way we manage data and establish trust in the digital space. Equipped with a comprehensive understanding of blockchain, the potent technology that propels NFTs, we are now prepared to delve deeper into the fascinating world of non-fungible tokens. So, join us as we venture into our next segment. What exactly are non-fungible tokens, or NFTs as they are widely referred to? To fully comprehend these entities, we must first navigate the digital universe where these assets dwell. Essentially, NFTs represent an entirely new category of digital assets, which is firmly rooted in the deep-set blockchain technology. This technology is not dissimilar to the one that powers digital currencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. However, a crucial distinction must be made, and that lies in their exclusivity. Let's dive a bit deeper into understanding what sets NFTs apart in the world of digital assets. NFTs, due to their peculiar properties, stand alone in their category. Their individuality is what sets them apart. They are distinct, they are unique, and they cannot be reproduced or exchanged on a like-for-like basis. Now picture these NFTs as an exclusive piece of artwork in the digital world, where their value is derived from their rarity and distinctiveness. At the heart of their appeal is their singularity. Each NFT carries a unique piece of data, a unique piece of data, a piece of information that is permanently stamped on the blockchain. This distinctive data operates as a digital certificate of authenticity, validating the ownership and reinforcing the authenticity. This concept of exclusivity makes them non-fungible, meaning they are irreplaceable, and cannot be swapped for another, even of the same kind. Range of what NFTs can represent in the digital world is broad and diverse. They are not restricted to any one kind of digital entity, be it a piece of digital art, a notable tweet, a piece of the wide-ranging virtual real estate, or even a beloved virtual pet. NFTs can encapsulate them all. Our only constraints are the limits of human imagination and the extent of the digital landscape. NFTs are continually evolving and expanding their representation prospects, thereby ushering in new prospects and opportunities in the digital landscape. We are stepping into a brave new world, and NFTs are spearheading this digital revolution. Whether it's a digital artifact, a tweet, a piece of virtual real estate, or even a virtual pet, the possibilities. Voiceover. To comprehend the depth of NFTs, we must first journey back to their intriguing origin. The genesis of NFTs traces back to 2012, with the introduction of colored coins, a novel concept that ascribed unique identifiers or colors to bitcoins. These colored coins served as the pioneers in assigning distinctive characteristics to tokens on the blockchain, signaling the inception of NFTs. Transitioning to 2017, a turning point in the NFT realm was the launch of CryptoKitties, a trailblazing game rooted in the Ethereum blockchain. Each virtual feline within the game was an NFT, purchasable, sellable, and breedable, each transaction creating a unique, non-fungible token on the blockchain. This innovation brought NFTs into the mainstream, the boundless possibilities of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. The following years marked a rapid surge in NFTs, sweeping across various sectors. Artists, specifically, harnessed power of NFTs to market their creatives directly to their fan base, thereby bypassing intermediaries, such as art galleries. The NFT revolution brought about some memorable moments, one of which includes the sale of a digital artwork by artist Beeple in March 2021. This digital masterpiece fetched a jaw-dropping $69 million, shining a spotlight on the colossal value that NFTs can hold, and sparking a revolution in the traditional art sector. In retrospect, tracing the evolution and significant milestones in the history of NFTs deepens our understanding of their current worth and untapped potential. The future of NFTs is a vast and unexplored terrain, limited only by our imagination and innovation. As we stride forth, the possibilities for NFTs continue to expand, shaping the digital. You may wonder, what's the secret behind earning from non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs? They are exclusive digital assets whose worth is primarily dictated by their rarity. Essentially, an NFT's value elevates when its demand shoots up due to a range of reasons. The reputation or recognition of the creator can be a potential driving factor. The more acclaimed the NFT's originator, the more it might be valued. The historical relevance of the NFT can be another significant contributor. If the digital commodity is connected to a noteworthy event or individual, it may pull in a greater number of prospective purchasers, subsequently pushing up its worth. Its trending popularity can also play a substantial role in determining an NFT's price. If an NFT becomes all mode or trendy, it might attract a larger crowd, leading to a surge in demand and price. Let's delve into examples for better comprehension. Consider the digital artwork created by a distinguished artist known as Beeple. This artwork was auctioned off as an NFT in 2023 for an astounding $69 million. The purchaser did not get a tangible object, but instead bagged the digital rights to the artwork. This exceptional incident underscored the fact that virtual assets can indeed hold value comparable to physical ones. Moreover, take into account the original source code for the World Wide Web, created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. It was sold as an NFT for $5.4 million, solidifying its historical significance. Similarly, Twitter co-founder Jack Dorsey's first tweet was sold as an NFT for over $2.9 million, highlighting the impact of a creator's fame and reputation on value. However, it's important to grasp that the NFT market is extremely volatile. Prices can oscillate dramatically, and there is no absolute assurance that an NFT will retain its value. When it comes to investing in NFTs, one needs to merge their knowledge with perfect timing, and a sprinkle of luck certainly wouldn't go amiss. The potential for profit in the world of NFTs is enormous, but it's not without its. While the allure of profit is enticing in the NFT market, it's crucial to understand the considerable risks and challenges associated with investing in this novel form of asset in the fast-paced digital finance realm. Predominantly, the NFT market is characterized by its extreme volatility. The value of these digital tokens can shift drastically, influenced by a spectrum of factors which can be elusive and unpredictable. As such, today's fortune could swiftly mutate into a meager sum overnight due to unforeseen market fluctuations. The price of NFTs are often driven by influential social media posts, shifting market trends, and evolving public sentiment. All these elements can sway the prices, either or undermining potential investors. This introduces a degree of unpredictability and risk that traditional assets do not carry. However, it's important to recognize that the risks extend beyond just market volatility. The NFT space is a breeding for fraudulent activities, a significant danger that cannot be neglected. A rapidly escalating number of instances of false asset ownership claims have been reported, which threatens to tarnish the reputation of the NFT market. These fraudulent undertakings have created a terrain laden with potential traps for unsuspecting investors. Thus, it's crucial to meticulously verify the authenticity NFT before making an investment, a step that introduces an added layer of complexity to the process. Equally critical is the consideration of the environmental impact that the creation and trading of NFTs have. This industry is infamous for its high energy consumption, which significantly contributes to climate change. The ecological footprint of this sector is considerable, necessitating a thorough evaluation of its potential environmental consequences before investing. In summary, opportunities offered by NFT investments are counterbalanced by serious risks and challenges. These include market volatility, potential fraud, and environmental consequences. While the potential gains might be attractive, it should be remembered that the possibility of loss is always lurking nearby. As such, any prospective NFT should approach this venture with caution, investing wisely and only what they can afford to lose. So what are some of the most coveted NFTs today, and how might their valuations evolve by 2024? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are singular digital assets that are irreplaceable, firmly carving out their own niche in the digital landscape, a revolution that's shaking up the world. Originating from the realm of cryptocurrencies, NFTs are a method of generating something unique and irreplicable, a digital mark of authenticity. They're at the forefront of the digital ownership revolution, enabling everyone to possess a unique piece of digital property, which could range from art, music, to even real estate. The NFT market, akin to its parent cryptocurrency market, is volatile, lively, and is in a state of constant flux. It's a tricky feat to accurately name the most coveted NFTs for the future. The market's fickle nature, combined with the tech-centric character of NFTs, injects a thrilling mix of risk and reward into the equation. Still, certain industry trends do shed some light on the potential future of this flourishing market. There's a strong tendency towards NFTs that mirror elements of popular culture, particularly those tied to the realms of music, art, and sports. For instance, NBA Top Shots and CryptoPunks are currently hot commodities, with some tokens trading for millions of dollars. These domains have always held sway in our society, and their digital counterparts are no different. A trend that has piqued significant interest is the burgeoning market of digital real estate and virtual goods in metaverses like Decentraland and Crypto Voxels. These digital environments and the assets housed within them are witnessing a popularity boom, with certain land parcels trading for astronomical figures. Consider the virtual plot in Decentraland that sold for an astonishing $215,000. The fascination with owning a piece of virtual real estate that carries actual value is an exhilarating concept for many. Factors influencing their value include the metaverse's popularity, the proximity of the land to popular landmarks, its size, and even the virtual neighborhood's prestige. Additionally, the scarcity of these digital assets, the demand and supply dynamics, and the inherent utility of the NFTs can significantly influence their price targets. While exploring the most coveted NFTs and potential pricing strategies, you might ponder, what lies ahead for NFTs? Come along as we navigate the complex landscape of NFTs' future in more detail. The Oracle of Expert Predictions paints an intriguing picture of the emerging trends. One of the most captivating is the notion of fractional ownership of NFTs. This novel concept could democratize access to valuable assets, making them accessible to a broader spectrum of investors. It could break down the barriers of single ownership, thereby allowing multiple individuals to possess a stake in a single high-value NFT. This not only makes NFTs more affordable but also enables a whole new way of investment, potentially revolutionizing the way we perceive ownership digital space. The future of NFTs also beckons an exciting convergence with other digital realms. Experts envision a world where NFTs seamlessly fuse with virtual and augmented reality environments. This integration will pull NFTs out from their abstract confines and anchor them into our everyday digital experiences. This amalgamation of technology and art could redefine how we engage with digital assets, assigning NFTs a more tactile and significant role in our routine digital interactions. Yet, with the promising opportunities that lie ahead, come inherent challenges. A notable one could be increased regulatory scrutiny. The rapid expansion of the NFT market has caught the attention of regulatory authorities worldwide. The implementation of stricter rules and regulations could provide much-needed stability to the volatile market. However, they could also erect new obstacles for investors, potentially making the entry and operation in the NFT market more complex. These are poised to profoundly influence your investment approach and the subsequent value of NFTs. As an investor, staying abreast of these evolutions could equip you with valuable insights, enabling you to strategize effectively, mitigate potential risks, and optimally maximize your NFT investments. Nonetheless, it is paramount to stress that the future, particularly concerning breakthrough technologies like NFTs, is always shrouded in uncertainty. Therefore, always be prepared to embrace the unpredictable. In summarizing, non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, stand as singular digital assets on the blockchain. They are unique digital entities with a distinctiveness that sets them apart from each other. Every NFT differs from the next, and this singularity is what assigns them their value. NFTs derive their worth from their exclusivity and scarcity, coupled with the demand they produce in the marketplace. This implies that an NFT's value is deeply entrenched in its exclusivity and the demand it generates in the market. Investing in NFTs can indeed be profitable, but it's vital to acknowledge that it's a high-risk enterprise. The value of an NFT can swing dramatically due to the market's unpredictable nature, rendering the NFT market extremely susceptible to rapid value changes. It's a market that can oscillate from thriving to diving in a fleeting span, posing a risk for those unfamiliar with the workings of it. However, with diligent research and a comprehensive understanding of the market, investing in NFTs can reap substantial dividends. This necessitates a robust grasp of the NFT market, recognizing the factors influencing an NFT's price, a bit of fortune, and the willingness to learn from the experiences of successful NFT investors. The NFT domain is expansive and varied, spanning a vast spectrum of industries such as art, music, real estate, and gaming. For potential investors, there are several key pieces of advice to keep in mind. 1. Stay informed. The world of NFTs is constantly evolving, and having the most current information is crucial. Regularly check reputable news sources and keep an eye on social media trends. 2. Understand the market. Familiarize yourself with the NFT market's dynamics and terminology. Participate in online forums and discussions to gain insights from seasoned investors. 3. Evaluate the NFT. Look into the history, rarity, and the creator of the NFT. The value of an NFT is often tied to its creator's reputation and the demand for their work. 4. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Investing in a variety of NFTs can help mitigate risk. 5. Be patient. The NFT market can be volatile. Don't rush into buying or selling. Take your time to make informed decisions. 6. Stay cautious. The potential loss in this market is considerable. So, proceed with caution, and don't invest to lose. The world of NFTs is an exciting frontier in the digital arena, where the boundaries between the virtual and the real world blur. It's a realm filled with prospects and pitfalls where fortunes can be made and lost. Tread cautiously, conduct comprehensive research, stay informed, and you might uncover a digital goldmine.